Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camping cookware sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're heading out for a solo backpacking trip, a family camping adventure, or a group outing, the right cookware can make or break your outdoor dining experience. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Odoland 15 Items Camping Cookware Mess Kit. This compact and lightweight set is perfect for 1 to 2 people, making it an excellent choice for solo adventurers or couples. It includes everything you need to whip up a quick meal outdoors: a 1.9-liter pot, a 5.7-inch fry pan, a 0.8-liter kettle, and stainless steel cups, plates, and cutlery. The anodized aluminum construction ensures the cookware is lightweight yet durable, while the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. The foldable handles are thermally isolated to keep your hands safe from burns. The design is incredibly efficient, with all 15 pieces nesting together into a compact nylon mesh bag. At just 2.75 pounds, it won't weigh you down on your backpacking trip. However, the small pot and pan sizes limit its use for larger groups. While the build quality is solid, the non-stick coating might wear off with heavy use over time. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for short trips, this set is a strong contender. Pros: lightweight and compact. Non-stick coating, great for 1 to 2 people. Cons: limited capacity for larger groups. Non-stick coating durability. Coming in at number 4 is the THTY Bros 17 Pieces Camping Cookware Kit. This affordable set offers a lot of value for small groups of 2 to 4 people. It features a 1.7-liter pot, a 7.5-inch fry pan, a 1.15-liter kettle, and a portable folding stove, along with stainless steel cups and cutlery. The cookware is made from hard anodized aluminum, which is lightweight, non-toxic, and highly durable. The folding design makes it easy to pack everything into a compact mesh bag for travel. One standout feature is the included folding portable stove, which adds versatility to your cooking setup. The materials heat quickly and evenly, saving fuel and time. However, some users have noted that the fry pan size is a bit small for preparing meals for larger groups. While it's not the most premium set in terms of build quality, it offers a lot of bang for your buck, especially for beginner campers or those on a tight budget. Pros: affordable, includes a folding stove, compact design. Cons: smaller fry pan size, less durable than higher-end options. At number 3, we have the Odoland 29 Pieces Camping Cookware Mess Kit, a versatile and comprehensive set designed for groups of 4 or more. This kit includes 2 pots, 2.4 liters and 1.9 liters, a large 8.7-inch fry pan, a 1.1-liter kettle, collapsible water and storage containers, and stainless steel cutlery and plates for 4 people. The anodized aluminum construction ensures lightweight durability, while the non-stick coating simplifies cleaning after a meal. The collapsible water container and bucket are fantastic additions, providing convenient water storage for cooking, cleaning, or drinking. The nesting design is well thought out, but with 29 pieces, this set is bulkier and heavier than others on the list, weighing 5.1 pounds. It's best for car camping or RV trips where space and weight aren't as big of a concern. Overall, it's a great choice for families or groups who want a complete cooking and dining setup. Pros: comprehensive set for 4+ people, includes collapsible containers, durable and lightweight materials. Cons: heavier and bulkier than other options. Runner-up on our list is the Alocs Camping Cookware Set. This 4-in-1 set is designed for versatility, featuring a 2.2-liter pot, a 1.2-liter pot, a 0.8-liter kettle, and a 7.5-inch non-stick fry pan. It's ideal for groups of 3 to 4 people and offers excellent cooking performance thanks to the high-quality anodized aluminum construction. The material heats quickly and evenly, making outdoor cooking efficient and enjoyable. The user-friendly design includes a steam reflux groove in the lid to retain moisture, silicone handles for a comfortable grip, and an anti-slip bottom for added stability. The compact, nesting design makes it easy to pack and carry. While it doesn't include utensils or plates, its focus on durable and efficient cookware makes it a fantastic option for serious campers who already have their dining gear. Pros: durable and efficient cookware, heats evenly, compact nesting design. Cons: no included utensils or plates, slightly heavier than smaller sets. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wildfare Core 26-piece Complete Camp Kitchen Cook Set by Stanley. This premium option offers everything you need for a successful outdoor meal, including a 4-quart pot, an 8-inch fry pan, and a complete dining setup for 4 people. Made from rugged 18/8 stainless steel, this set is built to withstand the toughest camping conditions. The fold and lock handles add to its portability, while the clever nesting design ensures everything packs down compactly. What sets this set apart is its attention to detail. It includes dual-ended utensils, a multifunctional cutting board, and a removable trivet for hot pots. The stainless steel construction ensures even heating and long-term durability, while the lifetime warranty adds peace of mind. At $90, it's on the pricier side, but the quality and completeness justify the cost. It's perfect for families. Groups, or anyone serious about outdoor cooking. Pros: ultra-durable stainless steel. Complete setup for 4 people. Lifetime warranty. Cons: higher price point, heavier than aluminum sets. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy camping!